Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be telling you or showing you how I make my whitening black soap, and today I will be telling you the important ingredients you cannot remove from your list when you're making your whitening black soap. These ingredients are very vital in making African black soap. So the first ingredient, I've written it down on my left side, so I will be looking on my laptop and telling you. One of the first ingredients you will need in making African whitening black soap is pure organic black soap, and we all know what pure organic black soap is. I will leave the picture on my left hand side or my right hand side so that you viewers will have an idea of what I'm talking about. So this is the base of your ingredient. This is the pure organic black soap. The second ingredient you will need is called ozone soap, and the ozone soap comes in different colors. It comes in pink, orange, and I think yellow. So I'll also leave a picture of ozone soap on my left so that you have an idea of what I'm talking about. So ozone soap is a lightening soap and you cannot do without it. This will help boost the African black soap to get the desired result of shade of color that your customers need. The third ingredient you will need is called whitening and anti-reactional balls, and these comes in color green. These ball soaps is called the Ghana 3-day whitening. Some of them also call it the 7-day whitening soap, and this 7-day whitening soap, they are balls. They come in little balls and it's in the color green. So I'm going to put it on my left hand side or the right hand side so that you guys will know. And this is also a major ingredient in making whitening soap because it actually helps to lighten the skin. The third ingredient I'm going to be adding is the Ghana brightening balls or anti-pimples balls for black soap. So the anti-pimples balls is going to help remove any sort of rashes or any sort of blemishes on your skin, guys. You really need the brightening balls or the anti-pimple soap, and this comes in like a whitish creamish color and it's in little balls. I'll also leave a picture on the left. The third you will need is Ghana white soap. We all know what Ghana white soap is. If you don't know what Ghana white soap is, they are white soap you can see in the African shops, and this Ghana white soap is very good for rashes. It's good for blemishes. Guys, you will need this in mixing. This soap is not a lightening soap, but it's very good for pimples, rashes. You need to mix this. And the next ingredients I'm going to talk about is the organic cinnamon powder. The organic cinnamon powder is very good for brightening your skin naturally, giving your skin a natural glow. The next ingredient I'll be talking about is tamarind powder. Tamarind powder is what I mix with my whitening black soap, and this really helps to exfoliate your skin. It gives you that exfoliating feel. So guys, you will need the tamarind powder. And then last ingredient I'm going to be talking about, the last but one actually, is turmeric powder, guys. Turmeric powder is extremely good. Turmeric powder will help you, give you a natural glow, as I initially said, the same as the cinnamon powder. So now the last ingredient what you will need is a whitening soap booster, guys. This will help activate the soap, guys. So now that we've got into this point, these are the ingredients, guys. If you don't have either or, your soap is not going to be complete. And last but not the least, I forgot to add to my list, is glycerin. You need glycerin in mixing your African black soap. The reason why you need glycerin, the vegetable glycerin, not the whitening glycerin, is because black soap naturally dries up your skin, so that the glycerin will help your skin not to dry when you mix it in preparing your whitening black soap. So I usually mix it with vegetable glycerin. So guys, these are all the ingredients you will need. So now I will take you to my base where I prepare my whitening black soap, and I will begin in the tutorial. So if you have watched me to this far, thank you for watching, and now I will take you to show you the process of how I make my black soap, guys. All these ingredients are needed, and guys, I will leave the name of my website, Lebu Cosmetics, in the description box down below. You can have a look at it. If you need anything to do with skin concerning problems, you can have a look, and you will also find the whitening black soap there. So I'll see you viewers in this next stage. That is me preparing the whitening black soap. Thank you for watching.